Welcome, AI Explorers, back to another episode of Midjourney Monday. I'm here with my brother, Warren Tingen, graphic designer extraordinaire and Midjourney expert. Take it away, man.
All right. Well, today we're going to look at alien civilizations. We recently spoke about popular culture and AI and what that meant, but now we're going to take a dive into deep space. So here we have our prompt is advanced alien civilization concept art in a photorealistic style, richly detailed with a dynamic composition. And our viewers, you'll note that I have a style raw on there, and that style raw really focuses on that photorealistic style. So we're going to see what it does when we hit return and get this prompt running. So Jacob, if you want to start another one with your always inventive. Well, style raw makes it less. It really engages more to the prompt and less to beautifying it.
Okay.
In its own way. So here it's going to really dedicate to that style realistic. And then I'm going to do one with niji, and we'll see what that looks like, because I want to see what, an alien civilization in anime is going to look like as well. So let's put that in here. Oops. Let's imagine first, and then we'll put it in here. And I'm going to do niji.
So and if a fish-based society.
A fish-based, nice. That is awesome. And with niji really focuses on more of like an anime or manga quality of things for our viewers to understand that. If you haven't tinkered with it, it's really fun if you're into manga and anime. So our first one, it definitely looks like a civilization that's kind of been broken or destroyed in some fashions. So that's really interesting. Or they're, taking over a new planet, perhaps. So there's a lot of stories that could be told here, and that's what I think a lot of use cases can be done for storyboarding, creating a script for a play or a movie or a short video.
Inspiration.
Yeah. So what does yours create? Okay, that's niji. So yours, alien creatures.
It was for some reason.
Okay, here we go.
Generated first.
Oh, I love those. Those are great.
Me too, actually. I'm kind of enjoying.
I think they're.
I was thinking
much
more
better.
Like fish aliens, but no, it's just put them under the sea.
Well, it's also looking at that declaration within the prompt. So, I mean, here we have an advanced civilization. So if we wanted to say an alien in a fish-based society or an aquatic creature,
right,
it would focus more. Where with civilization, it's looking at the architecture and the buildings and how that civilization is going to look. So make sure when you're looking at this that you're realizing the key words that you're injecting into these. So here's an advanced alien civilization with niji, and we can see it's done. Okay, if I can get it to open up. Okay, this is definitely really interesting because it has done the city and that kind of manga-esque Evangelion
approach to the artwork.
Yeah.
And I can see its influence. It looks good.
Yeah, if you've seen the latest Guardians of the Galaxy, it kind of looks like the home of the villain, those towers.
So I don't know if it got mine.
Yeah, I don't know what. Based on the mammalian creatures. Okay, it's doing dragons instead.
That's like a mammalian creature. Well, one of them has fur,
Yeah. Well, I love your arboreal creature. Monstrosity in the background. I don't know. It looks like a big tree of some kind. Yeah, or a big mushroom.
It's cool.
No, it's
so there's
really
some
interesting.
Takes on the advanced alien civilization.
Yeah. So let's try one more, and I'm going to set it to 9 by 16 this time.
Oh, just to kind of see what the difference in aspect ratio does to it?
Yeah. And we'll do the style raw as well to really focus in on that photorealistic aspect.
Sometimes
get it more.
I prefer niji, but sometimes I like the more photorealistic look.
Yeah,
So.
I haven't experimented a lot with the Niji 6 yet, so I can't speak to it a lot. I really loved what Niji 5 used to do with anime characters and the like, so it was very interesting. Okay, here we go. We've got the noise starting on our prompt, and we'll see what it creates.
I'm taking my original aquatic one and just kind of adding some photorealistic tags in the language of it to see if it gives it an even more realistic vibe to the
Right,
image.
right.
Which, as you know, can be effective at times.
The Little Mermaid as an advanced technological society, Atlantis.
That's what I'm going for, I guess. Yeah.
Oh, you got
It's,
some fish on the foreground there. There's a huge one.
That's what
It's
it
gonna be
looks like.
interesting.
And I wonder if it's because of the picture stuff, the picture details, that it goes into that area of its database, finds fish and those pictures together, and
Oh,
it's
yours-
emphasizing that for some reason.
Yours generated really fast. That was interesting. It really
been
did
doing
not
the
keep
alien
to the civilization.
That's
Yeah.
interesting how
Though the
the
top-
photorealistic detail changed that. Though what? The top right?
The top right could potentially be a civilization or some kind of under aquatic pod. Okay, now this has really gone xenomorphic.
That's cool.
It is very interesting that it's chosen alien from the movie, so it really keyed in on that aspect of it, where it has some very distinct architectural and designed vibes for Alien.
Yeah, that's how.
What if we just
that-
drop-
that tall picture?
Let's just drop Alien and just say
advanced
advanced
civilization?
Yeah,
Go for it.
this is a long.
Long Midjourney
But I want
Monday.
to see Midjourney Monday, yeah. But I'm interested to see because I'm curious what it will do with this, make more humanistic. It'll probably go more humanistic with the concepts. Think the Jetsons or
Yeah, potentially.
any of the science fiction movies, Star Trek, Star Wars, that kind of thing. So we'll see.
It's kind of fun to watch the images take shape.
Yeah, it's always fascinating that they programmed it in this way. You'd think they would have just here's the result.
Here's the
And that is interesting.
I'm digging
really
these.
enjoy this. The ziggurat with the
And I love the top right, like the advanced civilization, even though it
Yeah.
doesn't have any semblance of technology necessarily, but it, I just think that's cool.
Well, I think ultimately technology will be hidden,
Yeah,
and we'll have more just enjoyment of the natural because the technology will be just backing it rather than so upfront and overt.
Very cool. Very cool. Kind of like our conversation last week with your professor. So
Right.
technology, AI will be the backbone technology, not necessarily front and center.
Right. Exactly.
Well, thanks, Warren, for helping us with another Midjourney Monday. I had fun.
It's been excellent. Thank you.
Like and subscribe, guys, and come back next week. We will be doing more of these prompts, just kind of exploring what kinds of results you can get with Midjourney.